Hi, it's me again, Mary. For today, another tripping assistance tayo at nandito kami in one of our best-selling project here in Cavite, ang Lancaster New City, Cavite. Kung ang hanap mo nga ay malapit sa Manila, flood-free, fault line-free, exclusive ang subdivision at complete township, then perfect para sa'yo to. Meron kami ditong affordable townhouse na available sa Pag-ibig Financing for as low as 15,000 reservation payment. Mapapasayo na itong 2-story townhouse na may 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. And this unit has a minimum lot size of 50 square meters with a floor area of 40 square meters. At alam nyo ba na nakapromo ang down payment ni Alice for 25 months? Kaya naman swak na swak ito sa budget nyo. Gusto mo na rin bang tumira sa ganitong community? If interested kayo, link in my bio or call or message us on Viber and WhatsApp. See you future home buyer and paalam!